Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Legend. Today we're exploring a fascinating question. Is ChatGPT able to help with gardening or plant care advice? Well, we'll delve into how this AI tool can become your new gardening assistant, offering personalized tips and solutions to keep your plants thriving. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you cultivate a healthier garden. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about creating personalized plant care schedules. Keeping track of watering, fertilizing, and pruning can be a bit of a juggling act, especially if you have a variety of plants. Whether you're nurturing herbs on your windowsill or managing a full backyard garden, staying organized is key. So imagine having a tailored schedule that tells you exactly when and how to care for each of your plants. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Let me show you how it works. Simple. Here's a prompt you might use right here. So let's say I would ask ChatGPT to create a weekly care schedule for my indoor herb garden, including watering, fertilizing, and pruning tips. There we go. So I'm going to enter this prompt and see what ChatGPT came up with. All right, let's see how this goes with the process. All right, so this is what ChatGPT had put up for Monday, general checkup, Tuesday, fertilizing, Wednesday, pruning and harvesting, Thursday, soil aeration, Friday, light and humidity maintenance, Saturday, watering, Sunday, cleanup and planning. And yep, here are the general tips right here. So, as you can see, the schedule, see, breaks down tasks day by day. Right here, for example, let's go a bit deeper under general checkup on Monday, like check soil moisture. And here is further detailed instructions like insert your finger 1 to 2 inches into the soil, water if dry. See if this would be helpful for you. And another one for pruning and harvesting. Snip herbs just above a leaf nod to encourage bushier growth. For mint, basil, and thyme, rosemary right here. See, for weekly, buds immediately. There we go. And one right here, soil aeration. Oh, sorry, right here. Here we go. Use a fork or chopstick to aerate the top layer. And yeah, so having everything laid out in a clear schedule helps prevent overwatering or neglecting your plants, for example. Plus, it saves your time by eliminating the guesswork, and this allows you to focus more on enjoying your garden. See, this helps you up, right? See here? See? Next, let's explore how ChatGPT can assist in diagnosing plant problems. Identifying issues like pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies early on can save your plants from serious damage and keep your garden healthy. So, say you notice your tomato plants have yellowing leaves and spots. So, it's crucial to figure out what's causing these symptoms to address them effectively. So, instead of scouring the internet for answers, ChatGPT right here can provide immediate insights. So, let me demonstrate with a simple prompt. So, I'm going to paste the prompt that I put together right here. So I would casually ask ChatGPT, like, my tomato plants have yellowing leaves and spots. What could be the problem and how can I fix it? Okay, so simple. I would tell ChatGPT through a prompt describing something odd with my tomato plants, and I would ask what's the problem and what are the solutions to get rid of that. Easy. But it all depends on the results that ChatGPT would suggest to us. So let's send this over right about now. Okay, right here, as you can see, ChatGPT stated here, first is a nutrient deficiencies, there's pests, there's diseases right here, and there's environmental factors. Their main, something right here. There are preventive tips. Okay, so let's go through them a bit. So here are the main problems, and below them, a bit more detailed, like nitrogen deficiency, there's potassium deficiency, magnesium deficiency, pests, aphids or whiteflies, spider mites. For diseases, it could be fungal diseases, bacterial spots or speck. For environmental factors, it could be overwatering, underwatering, or heat stress, or it could be like poor air circulation. And yep, each of them have fixes right here for every specific problem that could be connected to whatever similar problems with your tomato plants. So yeah, by leveraging ChatGPT's diagnostic capabilities, you can maintain the health of your garden more effectively and enjoy thriving, vibrant plants all season long. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Choosing the right plants for your specific environment is crucial for a successful garden. Factors like climate, soil type, and available space play a significant role in determining which plants will thrive in your garden. Sometimes it can be overwhelming to decide which plants are best suited for your conditions. That's where ChatGPT can provide valuable insights. Let me show you how. Simple. For example, I would ask ChatGPT with this prompt, what are the best flowering plants for a shaded garden, backyard, could be backyard or garden in a temperate climate. Okay, so let's see how ChatGPT would suggest which flowering plants would best suit for this specific type of backyard environment and temperature and such, climate perhaps. All right, let's see. So as it processes, here it is, the following. And there we go. As you can see, ChatGPT provides a list of flowering plants that thrive in shaded, temperate environments, which completes with details on the flowering plants below each right here, and their different categories. So let's look through a bit of from the list. So starting off with perennials, one right here is foxglove, digitalis, tall spires of bell-shaped flowers in purple, pink, or white, or biennial or short-lived perennial. Okay. There's also annuals right here, like fuchsia, dangling vibrant flowers in two-tone colors. So yeah, right down there. Ground covers, lily of the valley, sweetly fragrant white flower, spreads easily, ideal for ground cover in shady areas. One right here, shrubs with flowers, hydrangeas, mophead or lace cap blooms with shades of blue, pink, or white. There we go. Here he is. Look for shade-loving varieties in hydrangea macrophylla. Okay, another one, bulbs. Okay, snowdrops. And down here, vines. And there's only one right here, clematis. Clematis? Okay. And so, as you can see, having this tailored advice or descriptions on each of the flowering plants not only saves time, but it can be helpful for you to identify. And right down below with the description, yep, right there, it adds advices and such right here, which could help in taking care and fitting with the temperate climate and the shaded garden environment such. So, yep, it takes guesswork out of plant selection. It's just ensuring you to make informed decisions based on your unique gardening environment. So, with the right plants chosen for your environment, you can create a beautiful and sustainable garden that requires less maintenance and delivers more satisfaction. Finally, let's talk about garden design. A well planned layout not only enhances the beauty of your garden, but also ensures optimal plant growth by considering factors like sunlight, spacing, and plant compatibility. Designing a garden layout can be challenging, especially if you're aiming for both, let's say, aesthetics and functionality. Now, ChatGPT can assist in creating a layout that maximizes your space and promotes healthy plant growth. Let me demonstrate. So I'll enter my prompt right over here, casually asking to ChatGPT if it could help me design a raised bed vegetable garden layout for, let's say, I added a bit of a detail like for my 8-foot space, including companion planting suggestions. Oh my god, my apologies for that. Okay, now let's send this off and see what it suggests to us and how it can help us with the raised bed vegetable garden layout, right? With the measurements of the foot space. Let's go. And so, as it processes right here, ChatGPT then provides a comprehensive layout plan suggesting, let's say, which plants or vegetables to plant together for mutual benefits. Alrighty, here, as you can see, how detailed it is with direction or side and which row that is. There's also additional considerations right here. Okay, so for example, for row one, the north side, we have tall crops like tomatoes and peppers. And there is a simple instruction like place 2 to 3 plants spaced 2 feet apart with supports or trellises, right? There's also companions like basil and marigolds to deter pests like right here like aphids and improve tomato flavor. As for peppers, companions, onions, or chives nearby to repel aphids and beetles. Another one right here, medium crops, carrots, radishes. So, companion, lettuce, or spinach. Benefits provides ground cover, keeping the soil cool and moist. So, for the radishes, quick to harvest and help break up the soil for carrot roots. Now, for 2 more, let's see, for pole beans and bush beans for row 3, short crops with trellises. So companion, cucumber vines trained on the same trellis. Okay. Benefits, beans fix nitrogen in the soil, boosting cucumber productivity. Right, quite helpful, huh? Now, nasturtiums planted around beans to deter aphids. That would be the companion for bush beans. All right, last one for row side, south side. There we go. Companion, Swiss chard or kale along the outer edges of this row, and garlic or green onions, natural pest deterrent for root vegetables, which is the benefit of that. Okay, sweet. Now, with this guidance, you can create a productive and aesthetically pleasing garden that maximizes your available space. Companion planting not only improves pest control, but also enhances plant growth and increases yields. Having a well designed layout ensures that each plant has enough space to grow and access to the necessary resources that could result in a healthier and more abundant garden. As you've seen, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool in your gardening toolkit, offering personalized schedules, diagnosing plant issues, selecting the right plants, and even designing your garden layout. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, leveraging AI can enhance your plant care strategies and make gardening more enjoyable. And that's it. Have a nice day, everyone.